Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Pixel smartphone like screenshots app in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Pixel Shot, and firstly you will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now just click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next again, click on allow, click on continue, click on allow. Wait for a few seconds. It's analyzing the screenshots image files. So right now you can see it has auto detected all the screenshots present on my respective Android smartphones. So you can see here, so you can click on it to view the respective screenshots, and below you can see some details generated by AI. Just move back and you can view the other screenshot image files again, and below you can see here there are some details created. So you can see here these are generated by AI itself, and you can click on the image file again to enlarge it. So you can see here, and you can copy it also, and you can delete it, or you can click on this plus and you can add it to the new collection also. And here you can create your respective collections. You can name it depending upon your needs. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this Pixel Shot. So by using this application named as Pixel Shot, you can easily get Pixel smartphone like screenshots app in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.